Okay guys, so one of the first things, this is the Jackie unit. Wait, let me pull it up a little bit so you can see. So this is the Jackie unit. One of the first things that you want to go ahead and do is make sure that your hair is sectioned off. And how I normally section off my hair is I just do like 2 rows at a time. So as you can see, I have it sectioned from ear to ear, 2 rows. The next thing that I like to go ahead and do is brush the hair out. And today I will be using the Aussie Instant Freeze Hairspray 24-hour extreme holds with Australian jojoba oil and sea kelp. And it's an extreme hold. So I'm going to be using this. Excuse the paint on my arm. I'm doing a lot of painting and stuff around the house. I'm really excited about that. But that's not for this video. So, and I just like to take, just do 1 spray for this row. And then I like to go ahead and brush it out again. And now we are ready to start crimping. So, also, my crimper is from Pro Beauty Tools. I cannot remember where I got this from. Also, another thing, the way that this works is it has a little groove here, and that's for your thumb. So that's how you know which way to hold it, because at first, I can't lie, I was holding it this way, but you're not supposed to hold it this way. Your thumb is supposed to be in the groove, and that's the way you hold it. Actually, I've had this since beauty school. I graduated beauty school in like 2010, so don't mind this. It's not that pretty. You know that the older it is, the better it seems to work. I don't understand why, but it just does. So I have this on the highest temperature, and that's my dial. Actually, no, I have it on the, I have this on the highest temperature. And we're just gonna get to crimping. So I hold this here for about 10 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. And then I go into the next groove. This is the next groove. So I align this part with this groove, and that's kind of how you keep the wave going. Like, they've been trying to stop the wave, but the wave don't stop. Like, the wave don't stop. You put it in the next groove, and then you keep crimping, and you crimp your way all the way down. And guys, it is pretty tedious. Like, I can't lie, it's tedious. So carve out some time, to get your crimp on, because this is not a quick thing to do. Find you a good TV show to watch, play your favorite album, do your thing, because this is gonna take at least maybe about, hour and a half. Maybe an hour, depending on how fast you move. if you have a frontal, you kind of just want to line your frontal with the track in your unit, if that makes any sense. Just so you can, you know, have some uniform. And this hair is not fresh, actually. But I figured, you know, since I'm going to be putting a lot of spritz on it, does it really make sense to wash it? And we're just going to repeat the same thing. You want to make sure that you don't do really big sections so that the hair heats up properly. You know what I mean? It's evenly distributed. You have even pieces of crimps. You know, that's very important. And this is basically what's going to help you get effortless, beautiful, professional crimps. And that's what you want. So it may take some time, but just be patient, and I promise you that your results will be beautiful. Beautiful. It will be pulchritudinous. See how I did that? You see how I did that? Yeah. And you're not jumping from one crimp and making a brand new crimp down here. You're taking this dip and you're putting it into the crimp, so that you can keep the wave flowing. You know what I mean? And this is just real time. I want to show you guys real time how long it takes to crimp one piece of hair. And there you have it. Now that I have made it to the top of the wig, I have this small triangular portion, and that's just to make sure that my tracks are covered in the back. So let's get to crimping. We're almost done. Woo, baby. This took a while, but we're almost done. So we are finally done with the back. Now we just have the front to do. And actually the front is the most crucial part. So let me zoom on in. I'm still taking small sections. Oh my god, this hairspray smells so good. And if it makes sense, I'm not doing it straight down. I'm kind of pulling the hair this way. I'm kind of doing it this way so that the crimps fall this way, if that makes any kind of sense. But you'll see what I mean. Actually, like the least amount of hair that you have going into the crimp, the shorter amount of time that you have to keep the crimper on the hair. As you can see, like I'm moving relatively fast. And I'm doing the same thing with this one. I'm pulling it this way so that my crimp falls this way. crimps are pretty much falling back, and that's how I want it to be. But it all depends on your preference. Like, being that this is a frontal, I don't want my crimps to fall forward. I want to be able to show my hairline, and I'm looking to achieve a more natural look. But it all depends on your personal preference. You should always comb your hair starting from the bottom too. You guys didn't know that. My hair to fall in the back. So I'm making sure my strands are going to the back. So now that you've seen the way I did this side, I'm gonna come back once I have the other side finished. Okay, and she's done. She's done. She's done. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. She's fully crimped. See the way the top looks. Nice and neat, beautiful, flowy crimps. And it's sticking up right now, but when she's applied, she'll be how she needs to be. No worries. If you guys seen my blue crimp installation video, then you would know that this is not an issue at all. So let's get to laying these baby hairs down. Guys don't know if you've seen my recent baby hair video, I no longer use Gotta Be Glued to lay down my baby hairs. I now use mousse, which I find is way more effective. I love this little tule. Comb on one end, and brush on the other. We're just gonna brush this back comb into the hairline. We don't need any baby hairs here. But we do need our, little edge right here. We need our edge. Get that little swoopy swoop going. Guys, if you also watch my baby hair video, I'm not using the same mousse. I am using the Cream of Nature coconut milk for natural hair. I'm just putting a little bit on there because I want to swoop that back. Dry, and then I will be back. Ain't she pretty? She is pretty. She is pretty. I am in love. Like, she's gorgeous. Just let me show you guys, a little bit of the hair, a little bit of the crimpy crimp particular unit. Then go ahead and go to www.thepokerycollection.com, and this unit will be available for purchase. This is my Jackie unit because I love Jackie Ina so much, and when she wears black hair, like, she pops. Don't get me wrong, Auntie Jackie can pull off any look. However, when she does the black hair, it's just like, oh, Auntie, you look so beautiful. So anyway, you guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, this is the Jackie unit from the Potpourri collection. And let me show you the side. I know you guys probably thought it wouldn't get this flat or be this flat by the way that I was crimping the hair and by the way that the unit looked on the wig head. But as you can see, honey, she flat. She flat. Let me turn around and show you guys the back. Oh. Alright, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment down below, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell notification, you feel me? Because I would love to see y'all back. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
So wavy in that turbo Porsche. She's so wavy in a new Mercedes. In a pretty chick, yeah, I'm on top of lady. Baby, Beyonce on the surfboard.